you. Yes.
How are we doing, everyone? We are back with week 34 of GoMining, solar mining. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to take advantage of this special offer right here. And what does it mean? What do I mean by that? Well, you can see that I have 230 terahash. We're going to be upgrading to 250 terahash. And the reason why is if I come on over here and I click this, you can see that if you create a miner, you get, I guess, depending on how much terahash you purchase, you get a pretty good discount. So the lower the terahash, the less discount, but I guess the more terahash, the higher the discount you get. I'm not sure how high it goes up to. It might just be 14%. But if you currently have a miner, all the upgrades are about 10% off. Now, because I am retarded and I don't like to see odd numbers, I'm not going to buy the 25.74 terahash for $500 exactly. What I'm going to do is come on over to the custom and I'm going to click other, and then we're just going to put in 20 terahash. But I'm not going to do this on my computer because that would show some information that I would not want others to see. But we can already see that for a 20 terahash upgrade, the price per terahash is $19.43. Pretty good. Because I'm going to be using Apple Pay, I'm actually not going to be paying a fee. So we're going to be paying around $388.51 USD. And that's a pretty good price for 20 terahash. That's pretty fucking good. So I'm just going to quickly do that on my phone here. Alrighty, let's see how long it takes for it to pop up on my computer. Oh wow, as I was saying, it popped up. Congratulations. Well, it doesn't say congratulations, but I'm going to say it. Congratulations. Your miner upgraded the power from 230 terahash to 250 terahash. Energy efficiency, still 15 watts a terahash, 15 watts a terahash. And of course, because we just added to our investment, we now need to update it in my little notes. So I'm going to quickly do that. And waboom. This is the amount I spent before my upgrade. This is the cost for the upgrade. And this is the total investment after the upgrade. I got both Canadian and USD because I pay in Canadian dollars. So for just under 11,000 Canadian or just under $8,000 USD, I'd say we're making some pretty good money. And all I'm really doing is just coming here daily when I fucking remember to and pressing this little button. But now to actually get into the video. So for our total weekly rewards, 0.03735878 Bitcoin. It says it's worth $3,306.21. But if we take this number and we copy it and we bring it to that Bitcoin to a USD converter, it will tell us that it's worth $3,299.19 because it says it's actually, you know what, let's reload this. Look at that, the price actually went up. we're gonna re-put that in. Actually, it says it's worth $3,303.70, call it 5 cents, call it 75 cents. Not bad, off by about $3 or so, not too shabby. But for the weekly rewards of December 9th to December 15th, again, last week we got very lucky, and the week prior, these numbers are looking really good. It looks like they're actually matching up to these, but still, I don't 100% trust it. This might actually just be the confirmation. If this is going to be correct or it's going to be off by like one number here, then I don't think I need to use the calculator anymore. But we're going to do the last 4 digits of all these, add them up, and let's see how close they are. So we got 9644 plus 3249 plus 3410 plus 9765 plus 3321 plus 3205 plus 9768 equals, okay, I think they've done it. It's off by about, the last number's off by 2, but that's perfectly okay. Copy, and then we're going to paste it. Let's see what our weekly rewards were last week, because we're finally up to date now. Paste. $37.46. Not too shabby at all. Now, they're going to be getting even better because, of course, we just upgraded to 250 terahash. And I think from now on, we're at 250. We're at the 15 watts of terahash. We're just going to be doing 50 terahash upgrades. They might be monthly. They might be every other month. We don't know. Depends when I have the extra funds, when I have the extra capital to do it. But of course, I always come and check this miner daily. Right now, it says I don't have any active ones. But hey, whenever there's the weekly reset, I come on over and I always check it. Because you can get 3 days, 4 days, 1 day, 2 days. It doesn't matter. If you get some free days of mining, that's an extra 16 terahash. Who doesn't want that? So hey, just remember, they're having a special offer. If you've yet to start mining, you will get a nice little discount. My referral link will be down in the description below. Please use it if so. For people already mining, a steady discount of 10%. I would take advantage of it now. It's smart too. We'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Heard they been hating, damn man, what the hell? Plant-based killing motherfucker with the kale. Indiana Jones, yeah, I found the Holy Grail. Been making moves.